Good morning, everyone. This is Fast Furious Josh here. Today we are going to be installing some more car parts on good old carbon right here. Let me show you what we got. MB Specialties came through in the clutch. Now we got some goodies right here, my friend. Some goodies. So what this will replace is, if you look here, this is going to replace this piece right here. I got a couple of some carbon fiber vents. You can see they're real. They got clips, and then unclip these and then put these in here. So we're here at Harbor Freight to go get some tools, I guess you would say, to unclip some of this stuff. Take this out, unclip this. There's clips behind all this, so let's go find what we need. Okay, so we got some tools inside. This was just, I just like peeled this off and this popped out. Now there's this clip right here. I gotta pop this clip out right there. Gotta pop these clips off, put those clips on there and pop that in there. So let's see what we might need in there. I'm not really quite sure how to get this guy right here out. Does this say BMW? Doesn't say BMW. Does that say BMW? Oh, wait. That definitely says BMW. This doesn't. So 50-50. All right. Just got it unplugged. Dang. Like mutilated it with the pick set. These things, even in Christmas, this would just rip your whole finger off. I didn't even bend it though. So I got a flathead screwdriver from Harbor Freight. I would not, me personally, if you're using a pick set, I would not recommend these. These things just bend like easy. Damaged that, hopefully not. But pop this out. Need to take these off. Put them on here. Put that insulation. Bada boom, bada bing. Let's see what we got. Cool. All right, it is installed. Damn, it looking fire. Now there's these ones. I think I can do this with one hand. I think so, because I just did it a little bit ago. Let's pop this up. Put this down. Make sure they're the same. Cool. Same side. Put this down. And just be careful with this little lip right here. Make sure everything's in there. Be very careful with this. So I'm gonna use two hands on this thing. All right, this is installed. It looks great, looks amazing. Carbon on carbon, rec speed, NV specialty, OLM. Oh God, I don't even remember. I got so much carbon everywhere. This fit great. These are replacements first time. Cool, I'm gonna do the other side now. All right, well, we have the second carbon fiber. That literally took me maybe 10 seconds. There we go. Straighten it out a little bit more. Cool. Everything looks good. See how much carbon we have in here?